Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we're going to be unboxing the March 2026 Sew Sampler Box. If you're new to Sew Sampler Boxes, they're monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes put out by Fat Quarter Shop. The boxes are $29.95 a month. However, they are increasing their price. So for new members starting in April, the price is going up to $34.95 a month. And then for continuing or returning members who already have a subscription, that price won't take effect until June of 2026. So just be aware that they are doing a bit of a price increase. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take a look and see what's inside the March box. The theme for this month is Sweet Springtime. On the back, there's a coupon codes for $15 off a Jolly Bar. There's also a couple of links for some cute springtime quilts that you can check out as well. And then we're going to go ahead and just dive right in. So if you're new to the Sew Sampler Boxes, each month they add a sew along project. And then when you get all 12 of the blocks for that year's sew along, they do throw in finishing. So that is happening this month. So we have a couple of patterns in here. The first one is block number 12 for the flowering sew along. This one looks like a really cute block. A little more complicated than some of the other blocks, but still lots of fun. And then also in this month's box is the finishing for that. That means next month's box will be a new sew along starting. If you're interested in getting the fabric and all the information right up front, go ahead and check out their website. I know when they launch a new year's worth of sew alongs, they usually have fabric to go with it. It does sell out pretty quickly, so usually by the time I'm on the second or third box, it's already gone. So if you want to check it out for April, definitely do that. But here's what the layout looks like. The layout finishes at 64 by 84, so it's a pretty good size quilt. Most of you know, if you've been following me, that I have been collecting all of these patterns for the entire year's worth of sew-alongs. Once I get block 12 plus the finishing, I bundle them all up and do a giveaway. So stay tuned to the end of this video for information on how you can enter to win. And here's a picture of what that's going to look like. It looks like a really fun quilt to have. And I'm sure they'll have a video showing all of this on that Fat Quarter Shop website as well, once they have the boxes all released. Okay, we're just going to start off with our first thing in our box here. This is a 2-inch blue magnetic ruler handle, values at $6.98, and it's got these little magnets on the back of it, and it says the 2-inch ruler handle gives you control and curbs any cutting mishaps. It easily attaches to any ruler using self-adhesive steel discs, giving you a steady, comfortable grip. Once in place, the handle helps you hold the ruler while protecting your fingers. See the included insert for more information on how to use that. Thoughtfully designed for control and convenience, it's a practical little helper that makes precise cutting feel easier and safer. This value is at $6.98. This is, 2 inches, so I think this would really only be good for smaller rulers. I can't imagine trying to use this on anything larger than maybe this might even be too small for like a 6x12. I don't know, maybe like a 6x6 or something small like that. So that's interesting. I don't know why it says it's magnetic. Like, why does that matter? And then once you stick it on the ruler, I believe that because it's magnets, it will actually, you can take it off the ruler to store it, so you can store your ruler flat. I'm not 100% sure on that because I haven't used this before, but I believe that's how it works, and I think that's why the magnets are there, because my first thought was, well, why does it have to be magnetic? But I guess it's so you can take it on and off your ruler. Okay, our next item is a small 50-weight Aurifil thread in light salmon. This is 100% cotton Mako thread. This values at $6.98, and it says, add a soft touch of sweetness to your sewing with the light salmon cotton Mako thread by Aurifil. With 220 yards on each spool, this gentle rosy pastel feels right at home in your cheerful sewing space. Its warm, subtle glow blends beautifully with light fabrics without stealing the spotlight, making it perfect for piecing, quilting, and all those delicate details. Strong, smooth, and reliable, this high-quality thread ensures smooth stitching and polished results you'll love working with again and again. And Aurifil is actually my favorite thread. I love this thread brand. I use it for my long arm downstairs, my Juki here in my sewing room. I only use the colored thread for bindings or for English paper piecing. I'm not really very adventurous when I do quilting on tops of my quilt. I usually just use a nice creamy white. I use 2021. It just blends into everything, but I have seen some people quilting with colored thread recently, and I think it looks really cute. So leave me a comment below letting me know, do you usually quilt with just a white or something that's going to blend into your quilt, or do you go for something bold that might stand out a little bit and show off that quilting? I would love to hear what you guys are doing. Okay, the next thing in our box is this Pastel Prairie's Jolly Bar, and this is by My So Quilty Life for Moda. This value is at $24.98, and it says, step out under the warm sun and wander into the Pastel Prairie with My So Quilty Life. This Jolly Bar includes 5 by 10-inch pieces of the full collection and a free exclusive quilt pattern. Pastel Prairie is filled with gentle florals drifting across buttery yellows, blush pinks, and minty greens and sky blues, all mingling with cheerful ginghams and dainty stripes. With its light, fresh palette and charm, it feels like the first true days of spring, adding just the right hint of sweetness to the season. And I'm not going to open this because I'm going to be giving this box away, but look how pretty this fabric is, and I'm going to go ahead and throw up a picture here so that you can see it as well. These are really hard to get back into this container and then store, so I don't want to take it out of this beautiful little wrap that it's in right now and ruin how lovely it is to store. And whenever you buy a Jolly Bar from Fat Quarter Shop, it comes with a free pattern. So this is the pattern that came with this Jolly Bar. So if you buy this Jolly Bar separately, you will get a pattern with it. And then there's information on Jolly Bars and everything they have to offer on the back of the pattern as well. Okay, the next thing in our box is a 2x6 ruler. This is by Creative Grids, specially designed for Fat Quarter Shop. It values at $8.48, and it says Fat Quarter Shop's Creative Grids custom ruler is handy little helper that makes precision feel effortless. Its compact size is ideal for trimming small blocks, lining up angles, and tackling detailed cuts on quilts and with confidence. Clear and easy to read markings help keep everything accurate and smooth, and the grippy backing helps you cut with ease. Practical and polished, this ruler turns cutting into one of the most satisfying parts of sewing. And I think that this ruler with your little tiny holder would probably be good. This would be a great size for this ruler. Like I said, I don't think you'd want to use this on anything too much larger, but this is designed by Creative Grids. The markings are slightly different. I was looking at it, and I think partly it's just that these are white instead of normally they're black, so there's that difference. And otherwise it looks like a basic Creative Grids ruler, which are my favorite rulers. They're super easy to read and to use. All right, and then the last thing in our box is this Taffy quilt pattern. This is valuing at $9.98. It is a Sew Sampler exclusive by Fat Quarter Shop, and it says the Taffy quilt pattern by Fat Quarter Shop is as sprightly and inviting as it sounds with its playful angles and flowing layout. This design lets soft pastels and happy prints shine, creating a quilt that feels light, bright, and full of movement. The repeating shapes give it a sweet, almost candy-like rhythm, while the clean structure keeps everything feeling polished and timeless. It's truly a feel-good project that's fun to sew, and it does look like they have some finishing kits available on the Fat Quarter Shop website. There is a little QR code you can scan that came in the packaging. This quilt finishes at 52 by 60, so looks like a super easy and fun quilt to make. All right, that's everything that came in this month's box. I did add it up for you. The retail value is $67.36. The box was $29.95 again, plus shipping, so pretty good value for your money. I think that overall, the Sew Sampler boxes are great, especially if you're a beginner sewer. It gives you some different products to sample, and usually some of the most popular or newest fabric lines that are coming out, so I love that about it. And then the patterns tend to be pretty beginner friendly and easy. So if you haven't got a Sew Sampler box yet and you're interested, I will put a link on where you can get that below this video so you can check them out for yourself. Just make sure you note that price increase that I had talked about at the beginning of the video. Now I am going to be giving away this entire box. I'm also going to be giving away the set of 12 blocks plus the finishing for the flowering quilt along for this last run of boxes. To make life a little bit easier, I'm going to be running the giveaways for these on my Sew With Me group on Facebook. It is a private group, so you do have to ask to join. Once you're in the group, you'll find a post that has a photograph of the contents of this box or that flowering quilt along, and you can enter to win on that post. It's just a little bit easier for me to get a hold of people on Facebook. I've had a ton of winners here on YouTube, and I can't get a hold of them, and so I have boxes piling up from past winners who never claimed their prizes. So I've just started running them over in my Facebook group. It's a little bit easier for me to get a hold of you, and then it also gives you a bonus for joining that group. I will put a link in the description below this video where you can get over to my Sew With Me group, join that group, and then enter to win one of the boxes. Like I said, leave a comment below letting me know what you think about quilting with a colored thread versus just a neutral thread that's going to blend in. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are on that topic. Remember, there's no right or wrong answers on this, so be super nice to everyone who is commenting. That's going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can also hit that notification bell bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next video. Might as well do my thingy right now. Not sure why the magnets matter. Okay. Looks like a pretty simple layout. The finished quilt looks like it finishes at 64.5 by 64. Does it? 64 by 84. It's not a square. Okay. I'm perfect for a jolly bar, I'm guessing. Okay, people, I think that's it. Okay, that's everything that has come in this month's box. I did add it up to you.